Starting on YouTube, and especially growing on YouTube, can be really hard. There's a lot of things that go into it, but it doesn't have to be as hard as it first looks. Hi, my name is Rob, and if you're new here, welcome. It's nice to meet you. If you're returning, then welcome back. Good to see you again. I make videos, 1 to 3 videos a week typically, and also I host live streams, all designed to help people get better at YouTube with all the different things, whether it's video editing or getting the right mindset, how to deal with negative comments, how to talk to the camera, how to design a thumbnail, like everything that goes into making videos for YouTube, and how to grow your YouTube channel, analyze the stats and the analytics and all that. My videos help with that. But sometimes you need a little bit more help. Maybe there's other things you need to learn, and maybe you'd like it presented in a different way. Maybe you need personalized help. And that's what I want to talk about in this video. It's going to be a short video. I just basically want to announce that effective tomorrow, I'm going to be offering one-on-one strategy or coaching Zoom calls for anybody who wants that extra personalized help. In the description of my videos, maybe not all the videos, but certainly this one and all the ones going forward, if you go down to the description, and I'll just show you here, click on this more thing here, and it says need help growing on YouTube, maybe I can help. This first link here, book a one-on-one YouTube coaching strategy call. If you click on that, that will take you to a page where you can set up or select the time that works best for you. So you can pick the day and then pick the time, and then you would click next. Then you would enter your name and email. And then here, it's important, I'd like you to, if you already have a channel, then enter the URL here. If you don't, then obviously you don't have to enter that, but I'd at least like to know something about what you're trying to achieve. What are your goals? What is your niche, if you have one? If you don't, that's okay too. Tell me that. Basically, give me as much information as you can so that I can be prepared for the call, and I can show up and maybe have some things already ready for you. Okay, so then once you fill out this page, you're going to be taken to the payment page, and then you'll be able to pay either by credit card or PayPal, and then it'll be all set up with a Zoom call. Some of the things that I can help you with, just so you know, strategy, business strategy, business planning. Once I know exactly what it is you're trying to achieve, or again, maybe you don't even know and you need some help. Maybe you need somebody to bounce ideas off of, and I can certainly help with that. But we can formulate a complete picture of what you're looking for, and then I'll be able to give you suggestions, recommendations as to how I think you should go forward and what things you should concentrate on next. Maybe you have a lot of that already figured out, and there's something more specific you need help with. Maybe you would like a walkthrough of the analytics, how to analyze your results. I can help with that. I can help you with video editing. I can help with gear selection or setups. Anything to do with growing your YouTube channel, I can help you with. If you're interested in this, when you go to select your time, I've booked off time slots throughout the week at several times during the day. So I've got morning, middle of the day, and evening. So depending on where you are in the world, you should be able to find something that works for you. But it's going to look like I have like 20 hours available. I don't. I have a very limited amount of time that I can devote to this, and luckily with Calendly, which is what I'm using for the scheduling, it allows me to set a maximum number of bookings per week. So once they fill up, the rest of them will disappear for the week. So just so you know, that's the way I've got it set up. So I don't want to take away from the time I need to continue to make the videos for the channel and also do the live streams every week. So I want to continue to do that. And also there's some other things I'm working on, like I'm working on another course and things like that. So there's also Creators Cove that I'm active in if you're interested in that at all. That's a free community of over 40 beginner YouTubers where you can join and get some help from them as well. So, but anyways, this video is about the consulting, the coaching or strategy calls that I'm now offering, a one-on-one Zoom call if you're interested. It'll be, again, like I say, Zoom, share video and audio so we can see each other, talk to each other. I'll be able to share my screen with you if you want me to show you certain things. And then when the meeting is over, I will send you basically a summary of the meeting and also a recording of the meeting so that you can look at that and refer to it afterwards. Okay, so that's all I've got to say. If anybody is interested in that at all, let me know. If you have any questions for me about what sort of things I can help with, like maybe you're not sure if I can even help you, and you want to ask me some questions first before you book, that's totally fine as well. My contact information is down below as well, so you can send me a message and ask any questions you have, and I'll respond as soon as I can. So that's it. That's all I got today. So again, my name is Rob. I hope that I can help you either through my regular videos, live streams, or through this new one-on-one Zoom call that I'm now offering. So anyways, that's it for now. Thanks for watching this video, and I will see you in another one.